previous video, I have shared my minimum grammatical knowledge. There I have shared all type of present tense. How can we build a English sentence using by present tense? There I have explained present indefinite tense. I have explained present continuous tense, and I have explained present perfect continuous tense. Sorry, present perfect tense. So if you don't know, if you don't have minimum knowledge of tense, you could not construct a single sentence. So basic knowledge of present tense, you would not build a single sentence. So tense knowledge is very mandatory of you. So many teachers, so many experts, they every time say that spoken English is not mandatory. Basic grammatical rules is not mandatory in spoken English journey. But I don't think it. According to me, basic grammatical knowledge is very important in spoken English journey. So there can be tense knowledge, there can be voice knowledge. So these 2 or 3 minimum knowledge you have to have in yourself. Today I will explain about negative and interrogative sentence using by present tense. In the previous video I have shared 3 type of present tense, but today I will explain how can we use interrogative and negative sentence using by present tense. So let's go to the point. Number 1, indefinite, present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is used only habit, rules, daily habits. In this purpose we can use present indefinite tense. They are stay subject and the present form of the main verb. If I give an example, I eat rice, I go to school. So when it comes to negative sentence, I don't eat rice, I don't go to school, he does not go to the market, they don't come to the office. So these are the present indefinite negative sentence. And second is present continuous tense. If I give an example, I am recording my video, it is present continuous tense. But negative, if I go to in negative sentence, I am not recording my video, you are not coming right now, they are not doing their work, he is not singing now. So you can construct like this way: present continuous negative sentence. You can construct thousands of sentences using by this rule. And third example is present perfect tense. Which purpose we can use present perfect tense? That work has been started few time ago, and this work has been completed right now. So in this purpose we can use present perfect tense. That work has been finished, that work has been completed. So only this purpose we can use present perfect tense. How can we construct negative present perfect tense? I have done the work. I have done the work. But negative, I have not done the work. I have not done the work. He has finished his work. He has finished his work. He has not finished his work. He has not finished his work. They have washed their clothes. They have washed their clothes. They have not washed their clothes. They have not washed their clothes. So this was the example of present perfect tense. If I go to give an example only present tense, if I use interrogative sentence in present tense, how can we construct, how can we build a interrogative present tense? Number one, I eat rice. I eat rice. If I go to interrogative, do I eat rice? Do I eat rice? There you have to use do and does. Do I eat rice? He go to school. He goes to school. He goes to school. Does he go to school? Does he go to school? So only third person singular number subject you can does. Otherwise plural subject you can use do. So it was the present interrogative indefinite tense. And second number is present continuous tense. How can we construct a interrogative present continuous tense? I am recording my video. I am recording my video. But interrogative, am I recording my video? Am I recording my video? He is singing. He is singing. Is he singing? Is he singing? Is he singing? It is interrogative. They are working. They are working. Are they working? Are they working? It is in interrogative sentence. So you can use like this way. And third number is present perfect tense. How can we construct a interrogative present perfect tense? I have done. I have done the work. I have done the work. Have I done the work? Have I done the work? It is interrogative sentence. He has finished his work. He has finished his work. Has he finished his work? Has he finished his work? It was interrogative sentence. So if you want to learn spoken English, if you want to start your journey, you have to follow these rules. You have to work on all type of present tense. Without present tense, you can't speak English. Present tense in spoken English purpose is very, very important. So today in this video, I have given minimum knowledge that knowledge I have acquired in my journey. So if you want to learn spoken English, you may start your journey like me and with me. So simultaneously you have to follow this rule, and you have to speak in 10 minutes daily. You don't have any partner, you don't have any situation, you don't have any friendly environment. There you can speak out loud, you can speak in front of people. So if you have this type of hesitation, this type of problem, don't think about it. You can start like me. So you have to speak minimum 10 minutes in yourself, in front of your camera, in front of your mirror. That is very, very useful technique, useful process. So without opening your mouth, you would not start your spoken English journey. So that way I have acquired my this little bit minimum knowledge I am sharing with you. If you want to speak English little bit like me, so you are doing your work like me, with me. So that word I would say every time: stay good, stay healthy, and stay with me. Speak English with me. If this video is minimum valuable to you, so please like, comment and subscribe. Do your valuable comment in the comment box. I will see you in the next video.